Hello guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Makeup It Time with Julia. If you are new here, my name is Julia. If you are not, welcome back. In today's video we have this new palette we want to try. It's from Beauty Glazed. I have my eyes on this palette for a very long time. Finally I got it. Yeah, this is the palette for £10, £9.99. 35 shades in total. This is the palette. I have done some swatches. I'm gonna install the picture just before we popping. It's pop. It start by priming. Need to prime my eyes. I'm using Maybelline. All right. I hope you guys are all doing well. Are we filming? Yeah. I'm going with this shade here. Let's start with this shade. Don't trust this brush today, you know, like it had an accident. I'm just gonna put this on my lid. Hey, hello, pigment. Look at that. Here we go. Then swipe. When I mean swipe, blend. I'm gonna apply this shade here. Let's just see how it goes. Yeah, just next door to the shade I was using before. So I'll just put this up here, just build it up. So let's just take something else. What have you got for me, love? Nothing. Okay, we have this now. Just gonna go in with this shade here. All right, I'm not gonna change my brush. We're just gonna try and do something different in there. I'm gonna go in with this shade here. I feel like between this area, I'll go with this one. I'm just gonna put it up here. Here we go, giving us a different. Then I don't want all this color. I just want something, you know, different. Now you think. So I'm gonna go back in with this brush now. I'm gonna go back in with this shade, this very one. So I'm gonna put it on top, just to diffuse this green here. I'm gonna apply this very one. I'll mix them together. There is not much difference, so kind of around here. I want it to be deep here. That's perfect. So what I'm going to do now, let's smoke it out a bit. Yeah, we're gonna try this one first. If it doesn't work out, we'll move on to next door. Okay. Oh, funny enough, this one is quite light. This very one here, just to darken this area. So in this case, I'll need another. Yeah, this will do me. I'm gonna move on to this shade here. Even this one is not that. It's not dark enough. Alright, let's just dip in to this very shade here, which is the proper dark shade. I was not give me what I want, but I need to be careful here now. Yeah, it's alright, but I'm gonna call Chris off camera because that take ages to cut. Well, not that ages, but do take ages. Julia, make up your mind. Does it take ages or it doesn't? Now off camera. Here we are. My hair is just, is it growing bigger and bigger? Seems like it. Right. Okay. I have these three shimmers. Have these three shimmer here, which is this one here, this very one, and this very one. I'm thinking of putting on my lids, on my cockles. I'm gonna go in with this shade here. I might experience some mama. Mama. I'm just gonna mix these two shades together, this one here and this one, because I need to clean up here. I'm using Massa more for my bottom lashes. This one first. Yeah, I'm going in with this one first. I'm gonna go in with this lighter one. Just place that here. Yeah, boom. All right, I'll add this on top of it. It's all right. Okay, just watch me make a mess. Okay, now let's start again. Camera kaput. We were recording. I don't know where we were up to anyway when I'm editing the video, so I'll find out where we were up to before the camera went off. So while I was deleting some memory from the camera, so to create a space, I just put my eyelashes on off camera. By the way, it's Jackie I use. I will tell you more about Jackie just in a sec. Good. Need to be careful with Gold Digger because she's very mean. You see Gold Digger? She's very mean, so she's not playing. Okay, let's do some blush. What do we have here? We have Rimmel. With blush nowadays, seems to be going a little bit wild. I really like this highlighter. Everything come together. Julia say cheese. Take it. See that? If it's not showing, it doesn't make sense, right? Especially when we're going out. Primark here, PS. If you see PS on my channel, you know it's from Primark. Lipstick. Lipstick. Are you lipstick? Lip color. Okay, it's Revlon Ultra HD matte lip color. Matte lip color code. Right. Are you matte? No, let's go red today. Don't blame me when I smell a lipstick, because I'm not really a lip girl. I'm more eyeshadow girl. Lipstick, I use lipstick for the sake of the video I'm doing. I'm not a lipstick girl. I can wear one lipstick for a whole year for every look and I don't feel guilty. Remember when I was young, I used to steal my mom's makeup. But one thing I do not touch was lipstick. My mom and my elder sister, I used to steal their makeup. I think I was 14. But what I do not touch or comfortable to touch was their lipstick, because I'm not a lipstick girl. Oh, this feels so good. Yeah, now we're finally done now, and nothing else we need to do. Everything is done. Just went to wet my hair with, you know, water. It's going like that, a bit down now. So yeah, there we go. Okay guys, so we've done, everything is done, nothing else, nothing more. I like this look. I don't know about you, but I love it. Look at me. How gorgeous I am right now. How cute I am right now. Right, let's go back to this palette. Like I told you before, I did a bit of swatches. When I'm editing this video, I'm going to try and pull the picture also, as well as on Instagram. If you follow us on Instagram, this is the palette. It's called Popping Palette. Popping Palette eyeshadow from Beauty Glazed. These are all the shades like I show you earlier on. See that this palette is a dupe. I just realized it's a dupe. Morphe. This is a Boss Mood. Yes, I got it. Boss Mood. So this is a dupe. Morphe palette, Boss Mood. Yeah, I think I said it right. I'm sure. If I didn't, I'll Google it. Nails also gone. Yeah. Nails is gone. Yeah, this is a dupe from Morphe. All right, and it's $9.99 on Amazon. So if you want to go and get this palette, you can get it from Amazon. It's Beauty Glazed, okay? Or this one is $9.99. The Boss Mood is Boss Mood, yeah, Boss Mood from Morphe is £27. So you will save £17. Maybe, as you see, you know, you were with me while I was using this palette. It's pigmented, but if you, and it's also gluten free anyway. If you fancy Morphe, you can get Morphe from Amazon, £27. But if you fancy this very one here for £10, you can also get this one. But for me, I just say £17. 70 quid, 17 quid. Are you kidding me? And this is eyeshadow palette I can use over and over and over. So yeah, If you fancy, get yours from Amazon. I think they also have it on AliExpress, if you are familiar with AliExpress. But I got mine from Amazon. All right. So the lashes I used today is Jackie. Jackie is my girl. Jackie is beautiful. You can see Jackie. Let me come close. Let me come close. Do you see Jackie? You see how cute she is? And she's cruelty free. Oh, don't let me start. Huh? Okay. This is what we have here. I've used Jackie, I think, twice now. Today make 3 times. So when I finish whatever I'm doing today, all I need to do just remove it, place it. Before I do another video, just remove that glue. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you fancy Jackie, go and get it from our website, which is makeupitime.com. All right, that's it now for today. This is now the final look. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. All right, I will see you on my very next video. Bye guys, I will see you soon. Bye bye.